Use rosemary herbal water to double your hair growth. Use it this way I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial, and I bet your hair will grow in few weeks. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are most welcomed. My name is Goodness, and on this channel I make content around natural hair and wellness tips to help you keep your natural hair healthy and enjoy a healthy and glowing skin. So to make this rosemary herbal water treatment, I'm going to start with ginger. I'm going to start by dicing my ginger into smaller chunks. I've already cleaned this ginger properly, and so I'm going to go ahead and dice it. I'm using ginger in this recipe because it helps to promote blood flow to the scalp. This way your hair will grow, it will strengthen the hair strands, protect the scalp, and encourage fast hair growth. So after dicing my ginger, I went ahead to put it into the pot, and next ingredient is rosemary herb. Here I'm using dried rosemary herb, but you can use fresh rosemary herb or dried rosemary herb like I'm using. I am using rosemary in this recipe because rosemary is known to reverse hair loss and promote hair growth. It is an effective natural remedy for hair loss and thereby promoting fast hair growth. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is mint leaf. I've washed my mint leaf and I'm going to go ahead and add it. I am also using mint leaf because it helps to soothe scalp, it helps to fight dandruff and head lice, and also promotes fast hair growth. Mint leaf has a cool and refreshing fragrance that helps to reduce tension and stress around the scalp. It also helps to reduce greasy scalp and regulate sebum production. So all my ingredients are in the pot. I've added water just enough to cover the ingredients, and I went ahead to put it on heat. Now let me take a moment to encourage you to give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying this tutorial, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share your thoughts and opinion in the comment section if you would like to see more healthy hair tips and healthy natural glowing skin tips. Alright, so after boiling for a few minutes, my herbal water is ready. I'm going to cover it and let it sit till it cools completely. So after a few hours, it has cooled properly, and you can see the water has changed color. The nutrient from the herbs has infused into the water, and this is what we have now. The herb in the pot is still potent. I'm going to add little water and boil it again to extract more herbal water before finally tossing it off. So here I have my rosemary herbal water. This treatment is very good in terms of reducing hair fall, hair loss, and promoting fast hair growth. And I'm going to be sharing with you effective ways to also use this herbal water. Now I went ahead to pour in a portion into my spray bottle. I'm going to be using this one within 24 hours to 48 hours. So I'm going to just use this one or exhaust this one very fast, while the remaining herbal water will be stored in the refrigerator to extend the shelf life and avoid spoiling fast. This rosemary herbal water will help your hair to grow. Use it every single day and you will notice a huge difference in your hair. This herbal water is very potent. It will help to reduce hair fall, reduce hair breakage, reduce dry scalp, and promote fast hair growth, as it will also help to promote blood circulation around the scalp, strengthen your hair strands, and also promote fast hair growth. So this is a very potent and very powerful herbal water. Use it every single day or at least 2 to 3 times in a week, and you will definitely see huge result. These powerful herbs used in making this rosemary herbal water, the ginger, the rosemary herb, the mint leaf, are all powerful herbs that promote healthy hair growth. So here I'm using my daughter as my model. This rosemary herbal water is safe for both children and adults. Children can use it, adults can use it. The ingredients are natural and safe for everyone. So here I'm using her as my model, and I'm also misting her hair with this herbal water to hydrate and properly moisturize her hair. Whenever I make natural remedies, I use it both on my hair and my daughter's hair. So in this tutorial, I'm just hydrating her hair and then putting it in a simple style. Now there are 2 basic ways you can use this rosemary herbal water. You can use it as a hair mist, just spray a little amount on your hair, or mist your hair with this herbal water. A little goes a long way to hydrate your hair. Mist your hair with it, as it will help to reduce hair fall, hair breakage, to reduce dry scalp, and promote a healthy hair growth. You can also use it as a final hair rinse. This is after washing your hair with a shampoo and your rinse out conditioner. After rinsing out your hair properly, then use this rosemary herbal water as your final hair rinse. Pour it all over your hair, massage it into your hair and your scalp, and let it sit and absorb into your hair. No need to rinse it out. You do not have to rinse it out. It is safe for your hair, for your scalp, so you don't have to rinse it out. Just pour it all over, and you also do not need to dry it. Let your hair absorb it, let it sit into your hair and promote fast hair growth. This rosemary herbal water is amazing. You will enjoy using it and you will see a huge result. So let me know in the comment section if you give this rosemary herbal water a try, and also do give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Bye bye.